turn off it. All right, this is how it stay. Looking lovely and nice. Get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Pour it out. Some honey.